Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect freelancer.com to improve proposal targeting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect freelancer.com for improved proposal targeting, start by logging into your Freelancer account. Navigate to the home page and locate the search bar. Type in relevant keywords that match your skills and desired projects. Examine the results and identify the types of projects you want to pursue. Click on a project that interests you to open its details. Read through the project description carefully to understand the client's needs. Next, check the client's hiring history to gauge their reliability and payment behavior. Make a note of any specific requirements mentioned in the project description. Now, click on the Bid on this project button to begin crafting your proposal. In the proposal section, introduce yourself and summarize your relevant experience. Tailor your proposal specifically to the project, addressing the client's unique needs. Include a clear outline of how you plan to complete the project. Add any relevant portfolio links that showcase your previous work. Set a competitive bid amount that reflects both your skills and the project's budget. Consider using Freelancer's messaging feature to ask the client clarifying questions if needed. Before submitting, review your proposal for any spelling or grammatical errors. Once satisfied, submit your proposal and monitor the project for updates. Repeat this process regularly to refine your targeting and improve your success rate. Stay engaged with clients who respond by maintaining professional communication. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and the types of projects you enjoy most. Utilizing freelancer.com effectively will enhance your proposal targeting over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.